We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2012 Road Glide Ultra in Ember Red Sun Glow. This bike is beautiful, especially for its age. Really well taken care of. We have dual disc brakes on the front. We also have ABS. Engine guards on the front, and it also has the highway pegs so you can stretch out in a long ride. We have floorboards with a heel toe shifter, 103 engine. We have the passenger floorboards as well, locking saddlebags and tour pack. Passenger backrest has speakers installed. And the previous owner also put in a Bluetooth radio, so it's really easy to sync to your phone. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.